If you already have an iCloud email account or Apple ID, then you can easily log into your iPad or iPhone. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to tap on the settings, and very shortly we'll see on the top side, top left corner, basically you will find like sign in to your iPhone or iPad, something like that. You just need to tap it over there, and very shortly it will bring this screen. So here you'll find Apple ID, and next to it there is don't have an Apple ID or forget it. We already have an iCloud email or Apple account, so we can use it here. So I'm going to tap it over there, and then I'm going to type the iCloud email address for my Apple account. Once we finish typing the iCloud email address or Apple ID, then we have to press the next button. And very shortly it will prompt us to put the password for that Apple account or iCloud email. Once you finish typing the iCloud email address and password, then press the next button, which is top right corner. So I'm going to tap it over there, and if the username and password is correct, then Apple will send me on verification code over my phone. So I just need to type it over here. So I'm going to type the verification code of my Apple ID or Apple account. Once we finish the verification code typing, it will automatically trying to log in my account, and if everything is fine, then very shortly we'll be logged in of our iCloud account or iCloud email account or Apple ID, whatever you can say. But here we need to type the passcode of our iPad or iPhone again one more time. This is the device passcode, not the Apple ID or iCloud email password. Okay, so we just need to type the passcode for our device. Once we finish typing the passcode, then it will try to check everything, and very shortly you'll see your account will be logged in. That means your iCloud account or iCloud email or Apple ID will be logged in on your iPhone or iPad. And that's it. In this way we can easily log in to our existing iCloud email or Apple account very easily on our new iPhone or new iPad.